the big boat.
Where? They're all the same size.
Our boat is bigger than those ones. See, it's bigger than those ones.
No, it's the same.
No, the other one's smaller.
Some are big, some are small, some are medium. Look out, Mother!
Desiree. Say hi.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
3 o'clock. That's when we did it. Hey, I'm bleeding.
It's 3:59. We have to get out.
I have to go in the back.
Sit.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Now. Go the other way.
Where are you going? Go up there.
I'm trying to maneuver.
Watch out.
Can I start rowing too?
What?
Should I go?
How about I
row?
sit there? How about I sit there? So I can see where we're going.